Can you roll back over again, Ben?
Okay, let's do it. We'll turn him over and see if he'll do it again.
Oh.
Do it again. Roll over. More.
Can you roll over, Ben? Roll over. Roll over. Oh. Oh. Keep trying. Oh. Keep going.
He's trying so hard. Run over there.
You want to see it, Hannah? Okay, hold on just a second.
Roll over, buddy.
Can you do it, Ben?
Roll over. Oh.
Keep going. You just gotta get that arm out.
My arm's stuck. Roll it, yeah. Tattoo, do a tiga. Roll it, Ben.
Okay, Hannah.
Shut up. Look here, buddy. You want to go this way? No. Mama.
Okay.